So, how do you quit eating so much sugar? That's what we're going to talk about today. So, let's get started. Those that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka, and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And today, I am going to answer a question that I had from a client of mine, and that is, how do we ditch that sweet little deadly word, sugar? So, Bekka, how did you quit eating sugar? Well, that is such a beautiful question. You turn a new leaf with love, education, adaptation, and focus. And I know what you're saying. Say what? So let's go through each of the steps. The first thing is to love yourself. Show yourself some love in everything that you do. Remember, sugar is a drug and you have been eating it your whole life. Give yourself some grace when you do end up with it in your mouth. But also, show yourself some self-love by not participating in those same old habits that got you here in the first place. So I want to give you an example. I would always have ice cream in the freezer and grab me a nice big bowl every night. But when I decided to clean up my eating, I no longer kept this or any other sweets in the house. So if I got that late night hankering to eat ice cream, I would have to get dressed, drive to the store in the middle of the night to get my ice cream. Those that know me, I know that I'm rather lazy, and all that effort of getting dressed and driving 20 miles round trip to get ice cream, well, I usually forgo that and just opt for an apple or orange or other healthy snacks that I already have in the house. It's not what I really want, but it's what my body needs. So the second thing is to educate yourself in what sugar is, what it does to the body, and ways to overcome that I want. I want this. Below, I have a link to an article that I wrote about what sugar does to your body. Go check it out in the description section. So number 3 is to adapt your habits. I know the problems to the body is all fine and dandy, but it's easy to throw that out when you're in the middle of the I want it. So I also educate myself as to how my body reacts to this and come up with an action plan. I am adapting my habits to these situations. An example is this, as I already mentioned, I don't keep sugary items in the house, but I don't right off tell myself that, no, you can't have this. I reason with myself about eating something healthy, say carrots, some grapes, cucumbers, have a cup of fruit water, or even something with high protein and fats before going to the sugary items from the store. So I'm not waking up that whiny dragon that will throw a tantrum when I tell it no. I reason with myself with, try this first, and then if you still want it, we can put our clothes on, drive to the store, and grab some junk food. After doing that, I grab a big serving of whatever I decide. After gorging on that for a while, it might not be necessarily slaying the dragon, but at least it's drowsy enough that I don't follow through on the going to town and just go on with my day. So the final tip today, tip number 4, is to focus on what you really want. You want to be healthy and quit sugary habits. So you are going to keep this goal in mind with every decision you make. Always focus on the nutrition. So say you find yourself at the McDonald's drive-thru, what is the best decision that you're going to make for this moment? Maybe forego the fries, Possibly have water instead of cola, maybe a salad, or even 2 of the $1 cheeseburgers and ditch the buns. At a party and it's cake time, enjoy half the amount of cake or maybe forgo the ice cream. At a restaurant, substitute grilled vegetables instead of your go-to mashed potatoes. Have the munchies, eat all the fruit and veggies you have in the fridge until you have filled your bottomless pit. Being healthy with ditching sugar is not diet of deprivation. We all know those are destined to fail. All of our wants will prevail. That is because our bodies are starving for what it needs to thrive, and that is nutrition. So focus on your best decision right here, right now, and ditch the rest. Forget about the hiccups of the past. So as you see, I have adapted my habits to a more conducive lifestyle to better health, and it's up to you. You can turn your new leaf with love, education, adaptation, and focus. With these 4 points, you will be able to ditch the clutches of sugar, and you will find yourself walking your healthy lifestyle path. So are you needing more help with the subject of healthy eating? I have a program for you. It's your Detox Basics, because food is either providing you health or leading you to disease, and you need to learn the difference. In this self-paced workshop, you will learn what the foundation of health is. Spoiler, is clean eating. You will find out what clean eating means, and I give you tips to help make it easier to walk your natural health path. So click on the link Detox Basics in the description box. Y'all have an awesome week, and I will talk with you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and Herbal on. Bye.